Hey guys, welcome back to Mighty Style Garage. I've got the VC running. She's all back together. Just haven't done the master cylinder on it yet. Still waiting for that to come back. Much better timing than last time. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the trailer we just purchased. All custom. Got our ramps come out from down the bottom there. Got personalised plates going on it. A lot more to do, winch, toolboxes, everything. So stay tuned for when we get in and rip this thing up. Start loading it up, start getting these cars done. Yeah. Just a bit of shelving going in. 150 litre Hush compressor. New toolbox. New drill press. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. We'll be waiting on a 4-post hoist to go in. So yeah, so that's why I haven't done a lot on the channel lately. It's just sorting out all this and yeah, just trying to organize everything. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment. Hey guys, that'll do it for this clip. I know it's short, but it's just a quick update on how the shed's going. Like I said, thank you for the support and the comments. So the next job I'll be doing will be a full restoration, but that'll be a surprise to the channel once it's on there. Yeah, thanks for watching.